So before we start addressing potential problems arising from the base projection, we can see obviously big areas of doubling here. We can see areas of doubling around that around that area there. You can see that on the edge of the roof. You can see some areas here that don't look quite right, that look like they're doubling across. Obviously there's this area of missing coverage here, which we fully expect to be covered by that tower when that's reinstated. But I think the best way to actually establish this is to actually put the geometry back into place in order to view this. So if I just turn on my reference geometry and roll through, and then also turn on the elements for this projection. So now we get a bit of a better perspective now. Now we can see exactly what the shot camera can see, and this helps us to, or it helps to inform us as to where we need to conduct the patch projections. Well, we've already established that on this right side there's very little need to do anything. It's basically almost a straightforward push through, and so we don't really have any patching to do on that side. But of course this building on the right is a completely different proposition, and what we're looking at first of all is these areas. Now you can see that area of doubling that we thought the thing to the left of it was completely obscured, and as that comes through you just can't make that out. So it really isn't working. You can see a slight bit of doubling on that lip, but from this perspective it just can't be worked out. And of course that other area that was behind this foreground tower is completely now occluded by that tower. So those areas on that side don't really need any attention.